If you want to remove the At a Glance widget on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then unfortunately, if you want to keep the original Pixel launcher, then in that case you won't be able to remove the At a Glance feature. There is simply no way, no option to get rid of this widget. So the only way to actually get rid of it is by installing a third-party app, or actually third-party launcher. So, of course, a launcher changes how your home screen looks like and how the app drawer looks like, but of course, this new launcher usually provides more customization options or different customization options, so we can get rid of stuff that we don't really want to have on the home screen. So if we go to the Play Store, we can use search, and then over here we can type launcher. You should be able to find a bunch of different launchers. In my case, I'm gonna use the Microsoft launcher. It is ad-free, so this is a pretty convenient, of course, app. Now, once we install it, and by the way, of course, feel free to try any other launcher. You don't have to use specifically this one. This is just an example. So let's open it and let's set it up. We're gonna press get started. We don't have to agree to grant access to location and notifications, but I'm gonna grant access to photos and videos. Now over here we have the sign-in page to the Microsoft, but we don't have to do that. We can tap on skip in the bottom left corner. Over here we have help us improve Microsoft Launcher, but we can tap not now. We don't have to agree to that. And after that, I believe we should be able to pick our favorite apps. So in this case, you can choose apps that will be immediately added to the home screen, but of course, you don't have to select right now. You can just do this later. And over here we are all set, so let's press let's go. If you see this prompt over here, this menu, then we can press set as default, so that this Microsoft launcher will be used by default and you won't be able to go back to the Pixel launcher. Over here we have the welcome message, and this is how the launcher looks like by default. Of course, we have launcher settings, so you can customize the look and appearance, etc. of the launcher. And as you can see, well, we still have the date and time, but it is not at a glance, and we can actually get rid of it if you want to. Same with the search bar over here. Of course, we can keep adding apps into the home screen. We can personalize it with these settings and so on and so forth. There are a bunch of different options that we can go through in order to set up the launcher, set up the home screen, and make it look as you wish it to look like, probably. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.